break even day today. Let's take a look at exactly what I took. I took one trade on QQQ. I waited all morning for this and it went, but I was not able to sell because it went down so fast and then kind of came right back up. So I knew I was going to get a bad fill. So I kind of just waited for this to play out. I was like, I'm just going to put my stop loss at break even. But what exactly did I take? Well, so if we take a look at the 1 hour time frame here on QQQ, we can see that we finally started coming down into our zone right here. And you guys know that I use my zones as an anticipation area or kind of just like a guidance on where we're at. So I wanted to take from the zone into this 580 level, right? 580 is pretty reactive previously, and it's a very nice psychological number. Now, if we go back to the 1 minute time frame, we can see that this 580, right? We had a reaction this morning right near it at 580, and it came right back above. We waited all morning. Trump was talking, which allowed me to stay on even longer because you guys know my cutoff time is right around 10:30, 10:45. And since it was slow, I usually be off. But since Trump was speaking, I was like, we could easily see this come right back down if it wanted to pick that direction. And it did. We came down. Reaction was beautiful off the zone. Literally started falling, got aggressive, came under the zone. I got in right near this low day, and it just went under 580 into 65. I was up like 25%, 20%, but I wasn't able to sell because I saw that for like a split second. Then we came right back up. We literally came right into like this, I would say 15-20s, and then I was up about like 8-10%. So I was just waiting for us to get another push under that 580. I was literally like, if we get another push under 580, that's when I'm going to be able to sell or break even. And what do you guys know? Touched break even. So I just left it be. One trade, break even. I was waiting for it to come back down again, and it was slowly coming back down. I waited for this, right? I see it came down. I wanted people to take profits, reject this area right here, which is around 50% of this previous candle. And I wanted it to fall, never fell, so never got an entry. And then I called it after that because then it was 11:30. It was a great move. W day so far. We had a couple levels on Tesla. I had that 373, potential 376, but either one didn't hit. NVIDIA, there was absolutely nothing on NVIDIA still, but we are starting to come down to a potential 170 level. SPY, I had that 650, never broke either. We got really close pre-market, very nice reactions pre-market as well, but I'm still waiting for that 650. Hopefully that doesn't break before tomorrow's market open, but we'll see. It's probably going to break at a random time like 3 o'clock today. We'll see, but this is definitely a potential level for that downside. And I was also looking at AMD, I was looking at Meta, but these contracts, the liquidity on these contracts are so bad, and I'm not able to get filled at a great spot because I tried one contract on AMD to see how bad the spreads are, and you'd be down -6% instantly. That's not something that I like to see. So I'd rather just stick with Qs, Tesla, NVIDIA, SPY for right now until these have news or until these contracts can get a little bit more liquid so the spreads aren't as wide. But that's pretty much it. Break even day, manage it well. No FOMO, no forcing, no chasing trades. That's it, right? We're able to get base hits this week. Very slower week, but I'm still up 3R this week. Nothing crazy, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. No losses so far, 100% win rate. So this is just adding up. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.